It is great to see you on this Tuesday evening. Pretty quiet around here, but the tropics, they perk back up here. Let's talk about what's going on. Now, these systems we'll be talking about, they do not look like they will be affecting our area. We have Tropical Depression Imelda. This actually formed earlier today quickly, and now it's just spinning around the Houston area. This is going to be a prolific rainfall producer again. Some spots down there 10 to 15, if not 20 inches of rain or more over the next couple of days because it's basically cut off from the main flow and it's just going to be drifting slowly back to the north. So that's system number one. We have several other systems across the tropical Pacific and the Atlantic. We actually have 6 entities out there, 3 out there in the Pacific. There's Imelda, Hurricane Umberto moving out to sea, and we also have this new Tropical Depression 10 way out in the middle of the Atlantic. And as we put the forecast tracks on there for the next couple of days, you can see a lot of those going away from the United States. Imelda will weaken. That tropical depression way out there in the middle of the Atlantic will come back to the northwest and approach the Bahamas by next week, and it looks like that is something to watch, but that could actually curve back out to sea as we get into next week. But it's no surprise that we have some very active tropical weather because we are essentially still in peak tropical storm and hurricane season here, and that's to be expected. We'll continue to watch it. Locally, it is hot, it is dry, and when we get hot and dry, we tend to see some dust devils to form. And we showed you this earlier tonight. Still very impressive video from the Ackerman area today, and this is what happens when you have really hot air spin up and rotate really quick. You'll get a dust devil, and that will develop and then go away. Now, a lot of you are expecting some fall-like temperatures, and this is for the next week and a half. Air that is 50 degrees or cooler. We're coloring that. Most of it is going to stay in Canada, the Rockies, the northern part of the United States. It is not coming down here anytime soon, so it looks like it will stay warm. Tonight, mainly clear, lows to around 70, give or take. We are looking at some cooler overnight lows by the weekend. So once the sun goes down, or if you're up early, it's going to be pretty nice. But tomorrow, still back into the mid to upper 90s around here. Can't rule out a stray shower. Most spots will not see any rain locally. Across the Twin States, very, very hot once again. There's actually going to be a backdoor cold front that will slip on through the region tomorrow night into our Thursday. With that will come a slight chance for maybe a better opportunity for some showers and storms Thursday, but most of us stay dry. Cooler behind it, highs around 90 for